Now let's set up your Millermatic or Multimatic 255 for the MIG process. Please take a few minutes to review important safety information and tips, and remember to wear appropriate safety gear during setup and welding. First, make sure your machine is powered off. Open the side door. Route the control cable through the access hole in the front of the machine. Then install the MIG gun into drive casting, making sure it is completely seated in the drive assembly. Tighten the gun connection to the receptacle with a threaded side knob. Then, connect the control cable to the 4-pin connection. Twist the collar to tighten. While the machine is still off, connect the drive lead into the positive receptacle and turn clockwise to tighten. Next, connect the work cable to the negative receptacle and turn clockwise to tighten. Now the machine is set up to DCEP or electrode positive. Connect the free end of the gas hose to the MIG gas solenoid located on the back panel of the machine. Tighten with a wrench. Now configure the drive roll. The Millermatic or Multimatic 255 is shipped with a set of 035-045 combination drive rolls. To ensure the drive roll groove matches the selected wire, insert the drive roll onto the drive roll carrier so that the desired wire diameter is facing out on the drive roll. Next, install the spool of wire to allow the wire to feed from the top of the spool. Fasten spool hub nut to secure wire spool. Pull the wire from the top of the spool and feed it through the inlet guide and close the pressure lever. Prepare the gun by removing the gun nozzle and contact tip. Then turn the machine on. Hold the trigger of your MIG gun and feed out wire until it is visible. Reinstall the contact tip and nozzle. Finally, check the drive roll pressure to ensure a trouble-free weld. Start with the tension set at 2. Place your gun tip over an insulated surface like this wood block and feed the wire until it feeds consistently and curls on the wood without slipping. Finally, select the wire diameter and material thickness if you are using the Auto Set Elite feature. Or if you are using manual mode, adjust your voltage and wire feed speed. As a guide, a parameter chart is located inside the side door. Setting up your Millermatic or Multimatic 255 to MIG weld is as simple as that.